What's up, guys? Welcome to the new and improved ML63. It's not really improved yet, but we're working on it. So, we got a lot of work on our hands. I think at this point I can say I'm becoming a Mercedes slash M156 enthusiast. Working on the headlights right now, looking good and foggy. I'm trying to clear them up and make them look brand new again. So, drove down to Ohio the other day with my buddy Justin to pick this bad boy up. Originally we agreed on 8,500 for the vehicle. Turns out it had a bunch of problems, and so we settled at $7,000. 108,000 miles. Yeah, it's got quite a few things. So initially it had a misfire that was, you could tell right away. Like as soon as you turn on the vehicle, you could feel the misfire. We got that sorted out. Ended up being just a coil pack, thank God. So there was a bad coil pack on cylinder number 7. So at the house when we were buying it, we moved a coil from 7 to 6. Misfire followed. We had our code scanner. So thank God that's done. The camshafts are decent, pretty good. Normal wear, nothing crazy. Lifters look good. Phasers are bad, of course, as so it goes with the M156. So we got a new set of phasers coming. And manifold looks like shit. Somebody repainted it and it wasn't like properly heat treated. It's like peeling and like, yeah, I don't know who did that, but that was stupid. Another issue that it has is a constant power draw. So we're like, where is it coming from? We don't know. In the rear, these vehicles are known for water to come in, down, and through the gasket on the back of the taillight. We really don't know yet where it's coming from, but it could be this boot right here. I guess that's an issue. And yeah, so we got this all tore apart. We took the taillight out today. I think Justin might have broke it, but it's just sealant. We just got to reseal it. It's kind of like it came apart. But down in this hole, there was a bunch of water. So this is the tailgate SAM. We removed it, and we think that this could be the problem. We hope, we pray that that's the problem. We really don't know yet. We'll get into that and figure it out. We ordered a new one, 170 bucks on eBay. OEM part, it's used, but it's been tested, it works, it functions. Hopefully that is the problem. If it's the problem, we still have an issue with water getting down here from God knows where, but it's a common issue with the ML63. So we have to figure that out, stop that from happening. And yeah, but the car is like really nice. I mean, well, there's a bunch of parts in here, so you can't really see, but like this interior is like pristine. Like it's immaculate. Like everything is like super nice. No damage to any of the interior stuff at all, which is really cool. It's a super clean car. I think my theory is it had like 4 owners or something like that. It came from Florida. It spent like 100,000 plus miles in Florida. That's why there's like a lot of sun damage on the car. But everything looks super good. I mean, look at these seats. Everything's clean, super clean. Looks beautiful. But our theory is, you know, the first few owners took really good care of it, and like the last 2 didn't do shit. So no maintenance, nothing. Yeah, so we got, you can see it's a Florida vehicle. There's a lot of sun damage. The roof of the car has some really bad sun damage. I don't think you can see it because I'm short, but it's got peeling like plastic, like paint. So I'm gonna wrap the hood, or not the hood, but the top. You got sun damage down here. You can see, I don't think I'm gonna fix that because that means like I gotta redo the bumper. Maybe if I'm feeling frisky and like I wanna blow a bunch of money, but I'm already blowing a bunch of money, so screw it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but we got new tires for the rims. Those are gonna get put on tomorrow, or the wheels, whatever you guys wanna call it. New tires, big old 295s is what goes on these. We also have to redo the back air suspension. So these things have airbags. They're some crazy fancy shit. We got to replace them. One of them was bad. They're both original, so we're just gonna replace them both. And then replace, I believe it's this, that's the valve. So we're gonna replace that too. And I don't know, I kind of want to repaint these calipers. What do you guys think? They're like a weird gold sparkly color, which is fine, but the fact that this plate is like rusted bugs the shit out of me. So maybe I'll just take the plate off and like paint it black, and then just clean up the rest of it with some like brake clean, degreaser, shit like that. Let me know what you guys think. This is kind of messed up, broke off, chipped, peeling. Maybe I'll replace that. Not really sure how or what part that is, but I also got upgraded facelift mirrors that fold. They're in a box somewhere around here, but they look sick, and I'm super excited to put those on because I have a C63. Check out the rest of my channel. I got a bunch of videos on the C63 build, but those mirrors look way better. These look like little, I don't even know, man. They remind me of like mouse ears or like Shrek's ears. I don't know. Super goofy looking, not a big fan. Got some other stuff that I'm thinking we're replacing all the bulbs with LED lights. What else? I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I almost want to pull these side steps off and like repaint the trim black because it's like really faded, and I feel like I could get these off pretty easily and then just repaint them. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. They kind of look gray at this point, which like, I don't know. It's not a big deal. It's just not my favorite looking thing. I don't like faded plastic. Nobody likes faded plastic, but it's a bitch to fix, you know? It's tough to repair. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything at the moment. Trying to think, new wheel caps for the rims because they're not OEM, they're shitty. Somebody put some aftermarket ones on the rims. And then I'll probably tint all the windows. I'll do like a 20% or a 35 on the front, 20 or 15 on the back, all the way around. We're gonna do CarPlay, aftermarket big like 8 to 9 inch screen that goes into where the telephone numbers and shit are. It's gonna replace all that and kind of expand the full length of that. Already ordered all this stuff. So also for some reason the sunroof like doesn't want to like just go back all the way. It kind of like skips, like you have to keep pushing the button, like trying to get it to go. The seat like stopped working like randomly. We pushed it all the way forward and then it stopped working. Oh, those are the new mirrors right there. See if I can pull those out. Just show you guys real quick. Yeah, these are way better. Like, these are the same ones I have on my C63. They look legit. Super nice. Bottom puddle light stuff. Gosh, one-handed. Just put that back in there. Yeah, so I'm excited, but oh man, this shit's so expensive. I think I've already spent like $4,000 or $5,000 on parts. It's freaking terrible. Yeah, so best of luck to me. We'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep doing some videos of progress and things. And yeah, thanks for checking in. Catch you in the next one.